Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we'll discuss about something new in the environment, and in these classes we are generally talking about those topics which are very important for your examinations, mainly state PCS examinations. In these videos we will cover all the questions which have been asked in the UPPSC, UPPSC, UPPSC RO, Allahabad High Court RO, as well as MPPSC examinations, RPSC and BPSC too. So these videos are very important for all of you. Then please try to remember everything in a proper way. So I think we should start now. This is our eighth video. This is our eighth video, and I hope you have all watched all these videos. And if you didn't watch those videos, then go and check out the playlist where you will find everything over there. And because as I told you, in these classes we are providing every knowledge which you need to know. So I think we should start now. So our first question is, the rapid rate of decline in the vultures population in India is mainly due to A. Overuse of diclofenac drug, B. Low death rate of animals, C. High death rate of animals, and C. Cleanliness. And that question was asked in the Chhattisgarh PCS. Chhattisgarh PCS. That question was asked in the Chhattisgarh PCS in 2019. So now you can understand that why this question is very relevant. So again I'm repeating, the rapid rate of decline in the vulture population in India is mainly due to A. Overuse of diclofenac drug, B. Low death rate of animals, C. High death rate of animals, and D. Cleanliness. Everyone who is live over there, then please try to attend these questions, because these are simple questions and I think all of you have been aware about this question. Please try to attend these questions. I'm still waiting for your answers, everyone. Yeah, I will not solve that question. I'm always waiting for your comments that what is the correct answer over there. Please. So I think there's need of new slide over there where which we can understand smoothly. So the correct answer is the correct answer is some people are live over there. Then please try to answer these questions again. Overuse of diclofenac drug, B. Low death rate of animals, and C. High death rate of animals. Every option is wrong. Only option A is correct. Now we'll move to the explanation. What happens to there? So when we talk about the environmental problems, there is a term biomagnification. There is a term biomagnification. There is a term biomagnification. Now you will say, so what is biomagnification? As I'm saying, we will cover all the syllabus by the help of questions too. Biomagnification. So biomagnification refers to the increase in the concentration of non biodegradable substance, increase in the concentration of non biodegradable substance in an in a tropic level or in a specific tropic level. So that whole phenomenon is known as biomagnification. Take a look, then I will help you. So as I'm saying that about the biomagnification, it is the phenomenon, it is the phenomenon, or you can say process. It is the process in which it is the process it is the process in which the concentration of in which the concentration of non biodegradable non biodegradable non biodegradable it is the process in which the concentration of non biodegradable substances substances increases in a tropic level in a tropic level so that is called as biomagnification. Now we'll take an example. Before that what is the biodegradable substances and what is non biodegradable substances? As I'm saying, that is non biodegradable substances. So that is biodegradable and non biodegradable and non biodegradable. So the substances which will be degraded the substances which will degrade it itself by the help of decomposers or bacteria, fungus over there. So those substances are known as biodegradable substances, like animals body, or you can say living organisms body, living organisms living organisms body, and and its products so these are generally biodegradable. When suppose we have mainly all the organisms like animals, we produces sweat, you can say, then fecal matter, then urine. All these things, all our products, are the no, biodegradable substances, like cow's dung, cow's urine, cow's body, bones, everything is biodegradable, because when these will be degraded, so it will so all the elements will be spread out in the environment, means everything will be depleted. So these things are known as biodegradable, whereas non-biodegradable substances are those substances which doesn't degrade itself, are known as non-biodegradable substances. And the examples of these things are like plastic, plastic, PVC, glass, PVC, glass, and I think PVC, glass, and some substances, PVC, glass, and some substances like chemical substances like DDT, diclofenac sodium, diclofenac sodium. So these substances are, or these chemical substances, all these are non-biodegradable. So again, I'm saying is that it is a process in which the concentration of non-biodegradable substances increases in a tropic level. So that is known as non-bio that is known as biomagnification. So I think it's clear to you that what is biomagnification, what is biodegradable substances, and what is non-biodegradable substances. Now we'll move to our answer. So what happened to them? So it happened that yeah. So as I'm saying, so that's clear about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. But suppose it's a tree. I have a small tree. It's a small tree. Okay, it's a small tree. And what happens there? It's a small tree, and I have applied 10 milligram, 10 mg of DDT, or you can say any non-biodegradable insecticide on that plant. On that plant. Suppose this that plant have been eaten by some a goat. A goat. So what happens there? That all the DDT, because it is non-biodegradable, so all the DDT will be transferred. Means 10 milligram of DDT will be transferred to the in the body of goat. And suppose a lion eats that goat fully. So again, the 10 milligram of DDT will be transferred to that body. And when this lion will be destroyed, or you can say this lion will be died, so it is eaten by vultures. So what happened there? That all 10 milligram DDT will be transferred to the body of vulture. So this is okay. So what happens there? It is the last consumer. It is the last consumer of that meat. So what happens there? Then when it happen, so these organisms doesn't have uh, a specific model to conserve, or you can say to digest, or you can say to eliminate the harmful consequences of DDT or any chemical substance, because their kidneys are not fully developed to digest, or you can say to absorb that chemical substance fully. So this is because what happened there, that the concentration of chemical substances are increasing in that level. So that is known as biomagnification. Same thing will be happen with the, and in the case of vultures too. What happens there, that generally goats, like pet animals, like pet animals, like pet animals, like uh, suppose cow and buffalo, like cow and buffalo. What happens to them, that the farmer, or you can say mainly the farmer or people, provide or provide painkiller insecticide, painkiller painkiller medicines, painkiller medicines to these organisms, and these painkiller medicines like diclofenac sodium, like diclofenac sodium, like diclofenac sodium. So these medicines will be absorbed in the body of these cow or buffalo or any pet animals. So when these will be died, means this cow or this buffalo will be died, so that vulture will, the vulture will consume the whole cow and buffalo. So what happens there, that these diclofenac sodium will be enters in the body of vultures, and the vulture's kidney is not fully developed to digest these diclofenac sodium. That is why they are unable to survive. And as you know that the survival of the fittest, only those organism will be in this universe who can survive, or you have, and who have the ability to survive at the, by the help of Darwin's law. So I think that's clear to you. Now come to our answer. So our answer is there. Yeah, there is our answer. The rapid rate of decline in the vultures population. Why the vultures population is decreasing in a huge way? That is due to the overdue use of diclofenac sodium, because these diclofenac sodiums are used by farmers for their pet animals like cow and buffalo. So what happens there, when they consumes, when they provides these painkillers to their organisms, so the concentration of these medicines will be very high in their body, and when these organisms will be died, so the vultures which are totally dependent on these animals for their meat, or you can say for their food, and they don't have the ability to digest those things. That is why they are endangered, or now they are in the decline mode. Okay, so I think that's clear to you. Now we'll move to the next question. Okay, come on, the next question. Where is the next question? Yeah, our next question is the most important factor contributing to the loss of vulture population in India. Again, the same question is there, but language is different. That the most important factor, contributing to the loss of vultures population in India: A. Viral infection, B. Bacterial infection, C. Administrating the painkillers to cattle, and D. Administrating the estrogen injection to the cattle. And that question was asked in the UPPCS 2015. Now, anyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. Please try to attend these questions, because I am still waiting for your answers. Everyone, I know this time 11 people are live there. 11 people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions. Then please try to attend these questions, everyone. Yeah, 11 people are live there, everyone, because these are simple question, and these are simple question. So please try to attend these questions as I'm saying. Yeah. Well, it doesn't mean, I think after some time, whenever, if you are unable to answer these questions, so whenever, today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, after a week, after a year, whenever you have time, then please try to attend these questions. Now we'll move to the next, sorry, and that, what is the correct answer? The most important factors contributing to the loss of vultures population. In the previous answer, or you can say question, we have studied that the why the population of vultures are decreasing. It is due to the, because the farmers, or you can say the milkmen, are providing diclofenac sodium, which is a painkiller, and this painkiller is very harmful for the vultures because we are totally dependent on the meat of these organisms. That's why. So our option is administrating the painkillers to cattle. That is the correct answer. That administration of painkillers to cattle, because these painkillers like diclofenac sodium, now these painkillers are banned. As I'm saying, after a study, the Drug and Control Journal of India, Drug and Control Journal of India, Control General of India, Drug and Control Journal of India have banned, sorry, had banned have banned this medicine for animal use, so now you can understand why this is important. So administration of painkillers like diclofenac sodiums are totally banned in India. Well, now we move to the next question. Our next question is, due to some reasons, if there is a huge fall, due to some reasons, if there is a huge fall in the population of species of butterfly, what could be its likely consequences, consequences? Options are: A, pollination of some plants could be adversely affected, that is affected. B, there could be a drastic increase in the fungal infections of some cultivated plants. And C, it could lead to a fall in the population of some species of vapors, spiders, and birds. And now the select the correct answer using the code given below. A, 1 only, 2, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, and D, 1, 2 and 3. And that question was asked in the UPP in the IS pre 2017. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. I'm still waiting for your answers. Yeah, everyone, please try to answer these questions because these are very important questions, as I'm saying. And this time I think 16 people are live there. 16 people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions. As I'm saying, 16 people are live there. Then please try to attend these questions because these questions are very important for examinations. Most important for examinations too. That's what I'm saying. Well, now we will try to answer these questions, that why these are important. So come on the topic. So due to some reason, if there is a huge fall in the population of species of butterfly, in the population of species of butterfly, what could be its likely consequences or consequence? A, pollination of some plants could be adversely affected. That's true, that's totally true, because these butterfly, mainly the butterflies are found in the tropical region. Butterflies are found in the tropical region, and they help too much in the pollination. They help too much in the pollination. And I don't know the who had quoted it. Someone has quoted it, that if butterflies and honeybees are not there, so after some year there will be no plants on the earth, or you can say no life on the earth. I don't know the exact word or exact quote, so but it was the gist of that quote. So now in that question, uh, as I'm saying, that these butterfly play a very important role in the pollination of organism, or in the pollination of plants. So when these are affected, or you can say when there will be no butterflies in a specific area, so pollination's rate will be degraded. Pollination's rate will be degraded. So it's surely that pollination of some plants could be adversely affected, because these honeybees, or you can say these butterfly, doesn't sit on every flower or every plant. It sits on specific plants, or you can say specific on specific trees. So that is why some plants, or you can say some trees, will be highly affected by if the population of these organisms like butterfly will be depleted. Well, now we'll move to the next option. There could be a drastic okay. There could be a drastic increase in the fungal infection of some cultivated plants. No, there is a it's misconception because there is no relationship between the butterflies and fungal infections. So that's incorrect. Option third is there. It could lead to a fall in the population of some species of wasps, spider, and birds too. Yeah, it's true. Why it's true? Because as I'm saying, uh, it is totally related to the option first. How it's relating to the option first? Just take a look. It could lead to the falling population of some species of wasps, spiders, and birds. Why? Because it happens because some birds or some bats, or you can say some specific organisms, are totally dependent on some plants, and when and these plants are pollinated by butterflies, are only butterflies. So if there will be no butterfly, so the pollination of these plants will be affected. So when the pollination of these plants will be affected, so in what happens to that condition? So these plants will not grow more, and when these plants will not grow more, so in that condition, the organisms like spider, birds, webs, so these will be affected. So 1 and 3 both are correct. Now select the correct answer. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, yeah, the option C is correct. Now our option C is correct. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. The marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinction, is an A. Amphibian, B. Bony fish, C. Shark, and D. Mammal. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend this question. Everyone, I'm still waiting for your answers. Now this time, 12 people are live there. I know that our channel is new, but please try to, as I'm saying, that please try to uh, come on our platform and watch our videos if you found these are helpful. And I know these are totally helpful because I think we are the only groups who are providing everything in English too. That's why if you are English lovers, or you can say if you are a science lover or environment lover or a PCS lover, then please come on our platform and try to watch everything which is relevant for examinations. Well, now uh, we'll move to the next question. Okay, answer is not clear. Huh? Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Everyone who is live there, then please try to attend these questions. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for your answers. Everyone. Yeah, everyone. I'm still waiting for your answers. I'm still waiting for your answers. Yeah, someone, Ashu. Yeah, Ashu, you're totally correct. Your answer is totally correct. Good, very well done. Now we'll move to the next question. Sorry, the marine animal called dugong, which is vulnerable to extinction, is an A. Amphibians, B. Bonyfish, C. Shark, and D. Mammal. So it was means that dugong is from the book of NCERT class 6. Now you can understand that what is the level of UPSC, that it can ask anything from any book. It doesn't think about the level. So it's a mammal. Dugong is also known as sea cow. 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 Why this is known as sea cow? Because this animal only feed grass, or you can say seagrass. Mainly it only feeds the seagrass. It only feeds the seagrass or herbs other herbs which are found which are found in C. So now you can understand that why this is called cow, because this is herbivorous organism. It is herbivorous. It is herbivorous. It is herbivorous organism. That is why it is known as sea cow. And next thing, second thing is there. It is not a cow and it doesn't belong to the family of cow. Okay, due to its activity, that it's a herbivorous, due to its activity, and it is very calm. And next thing is there. It is a very calm organism. It is very calm organism. It is very calm organism. That is why it is very calm organism. That is why it is known as sea cow. That is what is known as sea cow. Now we'll understand that thing. And next thing is there. It's a mammalian. It's a mammalian organism. It's a mammalian. It's a mammalian organism. And now we'll say why it's a mammalian organism, because the organism which have mammalian glands, every organism which have mammalian glands are known as mammalians. Like we human beings are mammalian because our females provides feed to their offsprings, like cow, dog, every organism which have the capability to provide milk to their offsprings are known as mammalians. Like human beings, we are also offsprings. Now you will say, sir, male are not mammalian. Yeah, males are mammalian because we have also the mammalian gland, but it is not functioning, or you can say it is not developed. On the other thing, various organisms are there which have the mammalian glands, but that is not fully developed. Like blue whale, it is blue whale is have also be kept in that family. Blue whale have also be kept in that family. So now it is understood that the sea cow is a mammalian organism. Sea cow is a mammalian organism. Why it's mammalian? Because it has mammalian glands too. Now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is concerning dugong. Concerning dugong, a mammal found in India. Which one of the following statement is that true? Yeah, concerning dugong means, again we have to think about dugong. We have to think about dugong and a mammal found in India. Which one of the following statement is that correct? Again, same question have been asked in the UPPSC. Sorry, in the UPSC. So now you can understand that why these questions are very important, or why these points are very important to us. Okay, so a it's a herbivorous marine animal, as I'm saying in the previous explanation, that it is a herbivorous marine animal. So it's true. Option B, it is found along the entire coast of India. No, that's not true, because these sea cow, or you can say these dugongs are mainly found. These dugongs are mainly found in the coastal areas near the Tamil Nadu, or you can say some Kerala's, the area near the Kerala's, or you can say the Mannar Park, or in the Park State. So that is incorrect. It is not found in the entire coastal areas of India, because India has a huge coastal area. So it's incorrect. Option third is there. It is given legal protection under the Schedule First of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. That's true. Suppose I don't know about this option. I don't know about this option, but I know about the second option. So now we can eliminate some options too, because second option is incorrect. So our option first is incorrect. Option B is also incorrect, because option 2 is incorrect. Option C could be correct, and option D is also incorrect. Why it's incorrect? Because as we have discussed that the option A is correct. So we, if we don't have any idea about that portion, about the third portion, but we can predict that option C is correct. So now it is the method by which we can eliminate some options and we can find the correct answer. So now we'll move to the next question. Three of the following criteria have contributed to the recognition of Western Ghats: Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma regions, and hotspot of biodiversity. So these are: A, species richness; B, vegetation density; C, endemism; C, ethnobotanical importance; and D, threat perceptions. Again, and 6, adaptation of flora and fauna to the warm and humid conditions. Which three of the following are correct criteria for the given context? Again, That question have been asked in the IES pre 2018. So now you can understand that why these questions have a huge importance. Again, please try to attend these questions. I'm still waiting for your answers. Yeah, again, three of the following criteria can be right. Anyone who's live there, then please try to attend these questions. Now this time 12 people are live. No, 16 people are live. But I don't know why they are unable to provide answers. Well, now I will help you. So three of the following criteria have been contributing to the recognition of Western Ghats. Western Ghats, Sri Lanka, and Indo-Burma region as hotspots of biodiversity. Means why these three places like Sri Lanka, Indo-Burma region, and Western Ghats are carried in the list of biodiversity hotspot. Now you have to answer these things. Option A, species richness. Yeah, it's totally clear that the any area where has huge biodiversity will be kept in the category of hotspot, because if you have something idea about the hotspots, so you can understand that why there is a why area is known as the hotspot, because that area, why some area is known as hotspot, because the area where is huge number of variations in species, so that is why they are known as hotspots. So our option one is correct. So that is correct. And I don't know about any option. So now we'll try to eliminate some options, because in these two options, option A and option C, we have option 1. So these could be right. And now these will be incorrect because they don't have the option 1. This is the method by which you can trigger UPSC examinations. This is the only way by which you can eliminate options. So we have eliminated two options over there. Now we'll move to the next question. Vegetation density, okay. C, endemism, and C, Indo-Burma vertical importance. And fifth, threat precipitation. Threat precipitation. Yeah, it's also true, because when any area is considered as a hotspots, so there is also about the threat precipitation. Means option 5 is correct. So option 5 is correct. So that will be our correct answer. So we can say that option 3, endemism, is also correct. So now you can understand that how we can eliminate some option and can find the correct answer. So now we'll move to our next question. Given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and other is reason R. Means these are the statement and reason based question. So now you can understand it. Assertion is there. Maximum number of species of butterflies. Maximum number of species of butterflies. Maximum number of species of butterflies are found in the tropical region. Are found in the tropical region, and its reason is there. Butterfly cannot tolerate low temperature. I don't know the answer. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend that question. That question has been asked in the UPPSC 2019. So you can understand the level of UPSC is also increasing day by day. So please try to attend that question. What is the correct option? Yeah. What is the correct option? Please try to attend that question. So this time, various people are live there. Wow. 19 people are live there. If, yeah, 19 people are live there, then please try to answer these questions. These are mandatory, and these will help us, motivate us to make new videos, new very informative videos, new very educative videos for you, everyone. Well, so okay, now we'll try to correlate the correct option. I don't know about the correct answer. Well, maximum number of species of butterflies are found in the tropical region, tropical countries. That's true. That's totally true, because butterflies are generally warm-blooded. Butterflies are those type of animals which can't survive in the cold region, in the cold region. So that is true that maximum number of species of butterfly are found in the tropical countries. That's true. And now the reason is butterfly cannot tolerate low temperature. That's both are true, because butterflies don't have the ability to survive in the cold region. So that is why they are found in the tropical region. So both are correct, and R is the correct option, or you can say R is the correct reason for A. So that's true. Option is correct. Now we'll move to the next question concerning an organization known as BirdLife International. Okay, concerning about organization BirdLife International, which of the following statement is are correct? Means we have to found. Now again, this question have been asked in the IES 2015, so you can understand why these have huge importance. Why these have huge importance? A, it's a global partnership of conservation organization. Okay, I don't know about it. Second, the concept of biodiversity hotspots originated from that organization. No, that's important, because this is talking about the BirdLife International, and in that topic biodiversity hotspot, so that's incorrect. Okay, option third, it identifies the sites referred to as important bird and biodiversity areas. It identifies the site referred to as important bird and biodiversity areas. That is correct, because BirdLife International can identifies. So now we'll take that in our pocket, that what it could be correct or not. So option second is incorrect. So now we'll eliminate some options. That option will be eliminated, and that option will be eliminated. And now we have to think in two options, that only A is correct, or option A and 3 is correct. Again, try to attend that question. I'm still waiting for your answers, everyone. I know that these questions have huge importance. Yeah, these have huge importance. That please try to attend these questions in a proper way. Yeah. Now this time, yeah, many people are live there. Then please everyone try to attend these questions. These are very important for your examination. That's why I'm saying that these have huge importance. Yeah, again I'm saying these have huge importance for examinations too. And when you will attend this question, doesn't think about the right or wrong. Yeah, doesn't think about the right or wrong. This could be right or wrong. Doesn't think. Okay, well, what is the correct answer? Many people are live though. I don't know why they are not interested in giving answers. Well, uh, it's a global partnership of conservation of organizations. Yes, correct. Because the Bird Life International, it is a global partnership. Next thing is there, if it's not global partnership, so no any examination body will focus on that question. So now you can understand that option 1 is correct. So because option 1 is correct, okay, and option third, it identifies the site referred to as important bird and biodiversity areas. It's also true. Why? Because World Bird Life International. So we can think that this is correct option. Again, it's correct because it identifies the site referred to as the important bird and biodiversity site. So option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. A sandy and saline area. What is there? A sandy and saline area is the natural habitat of an Indian animal species. Okay, the animal has no predators in that area, but its existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat. Which of the following, which of the following could be that animal? Again, that question have been asked in the IES 2011. That question have been asked in the IS 2011. Anyone who is live there, then please try to attend that question. I'm still waiting for your answers. Yeah. for your now I will provide a huge you can now I will provide you small gestures for you that before some years uh, Pakistanis, or you can say the peoples of Pakistan, were smuggling these organisms for their food, and these organisms have been sent to the means the organisms of these species have been sent to the China. Yeah, China, for the loan reply, for the loan you can say, yeah, for the loan repayment. Okay, for the loan payment. So anyone who's live here, please try to answer that question. Okay, well, if you don't know the answer, so now I will try to answer that. So Indian wild buffalo, B Indian wild ass, C Indian wild boar, and D Indian gazelle. So the correct answer is Indian wild ass, because these jungly gadha, or you can say wild ass, these wild ass are found in the areas near the Kutch, areas near the Rajasthan, Gujarat, and mainly in Rajasthan, and some areas of Pakistan too, and some areas of Pakistan too. So what happens to them? It's a sandy and slime areas. So sandy and slime areas are found in the Gujarat near area. Sandy and slime areas are found near the area of Gujarat and Rajasthan. The natural habitat of these Indian animal species. So the animal has no predators, because it has no predators. It has no enemy, because in the desert area there will be no enemy, because there is no lion there, no panther there, or you can say no tiger there. So they have no predators over there. Okay, that area, but the existence is threatened due to the destruction of its habitat, because their habitat is decreasing day by day. Their habitats destruction is increasing day by day, or you can say their habitat is destructing day by day. That is why, which one of the following could be that animal? So that animal is Indian wild ass. It is also found in the it is these animals are also found in the Pakistani areas near the Kachran. So now you can understand that why these are important. So, and the number of these organisms are